All set now, ready to race 14th first Gentleman Silver Cup race. Anytime now. And the race is on. Ibarra fast to begin by Darrell's Don Enrico. Down on the inside, Mr. Victory on the further outside is Defiant, Hieroglyphics, Anonymous, El Terrible, and Shining Fame is the early trailer. Ibarra by 2 as they fast. The winning pose for the first time, Ibarra by 3, followed by Don Enrico. And running third is Hieroglyphics. Down on the inside is Mr. Victory. Defiant. Third last is number 8, Anonymous, Shining Fame. And El Terrible is now running at the tail of the field. Ibarra by 5, followed by Don Enrico. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Ibarra by some 6, followed by Don Enrico. Hieroglyphics is racing in third by some 2 lengths. Down on the inside is Mr. Victory. Defiant is racing fifth by some 3 lengths. Anonymous, Shining Fame second last. And El Terrible still running at the tail of the field, working towards the back. Ibarra by some 7, followed by Don Enrico. Hieroglyphics remains in third by some 2 lengths. Rushing up is Defiant. Mr. Victory down in fifth. And rushing up Shining Fame, Anonymous, and El Terrible still in behind them. Last 600, Ibarra still leading the pack by some 6 lengths. Don Enrico is running in second. Hieroglyphics is running in third by some 3 lengths. As they race the last 400, Ibarra by some 3 lengths, followed by Don Enrico. Hieroglyphics is racing in third by the rallies Mr. Victory. As they race the corner, Ibarra by a length and a half, followed by Don Enrico. Hieroglyphics from the outside and Shining Fame. And nearing the last 100, Ibarra, Don Enrico from the outside, and Shining Fame down on the inside. Ibarra, Don Enrico rushing up, and finally Don Enrico. Ibarra close, Hieroglyphics, Shining Fame, Mr. Victory, Defiant, Anonymous, and El Terrible comes last.
So, have been an upset in this race. Outstanding favorite Ibarra doing well until the final stages when he was overtaken by Don Enrico.
Goodness, ano yun? Parang Waro Patricio, ano? Tiyagaan.
Yeah.
Abangan, ano?
Okay.